Good morning, good morning. So, I look like this because I slept like 3 hours, okay? But I said that I was going to get up and be productive. I still didn't go read a couple of pages of my Bible, but I will when I get back home. But we're going to go to, I'm really trying to work on my channel. So we're going to go to, back to Hobby Lobby because I want to see if what they brought for Christmas. I'm not buying anything. I'm not. But I might need a few, like 2 or 3 more stems on all the fall flowers that I wanted. And so yeah, I just wanted to go see. And I was gonna make myself iced coffee and I didn't. I just thought about that. Anyways, so I'll see you guys at the store. I have to go get my coffee. And we had to taste it together. I'm trying to drive. Oh, that's a little sweet, girl. I told you, not that much. Oh, we're wearing the Mean Girls t-shirt, you know, because I know I'm going to get a lot of mean comments for going to do some Christmas content in July. But July is about Christmas too, right? So, all right, let's go. First of all, I want to apologize if you hear any background noise, like my grandson watching videos on his tablet or my husband on Zoom meetings. But I wanted to take the opportunity to take you to Hobby Lobby and show you that you can use so many stuff without having to actually go on the fall section and buy everything fall to decorate your home for the season. Like all these items here that I'm showing you, they're all on sale, either 40% off or they are marked down because they're trying to clear out everything from after, summertime and bring in fall and Christmas, so they need the space. And a lot of these items are super cheap. There's other hydrangeas that I found that are also, they can also work for fall, and they were only like $3.24. Some were $1.99. All these little buckets that I'm showing you right here, these are other items that you can also use for florals, like I'm showing you here right now. You can bend the stems, stuff like that. You can use for lighting, different type of baskets. If you want your home to look different from everyone else, you can think outside the box and look around the store, and anything that reminds you of fall or fall colors you can use in your home. Like for example, the 66% of the spring selection right now. There are so many things, there are so many items there that you can use that will work for your fall season without having to look like everyone else. And like these right here, these little things, baskets right here, they remind me like the baskets that you throw like apples and stuff like that. And these are things that not everyone is running to for the fall season. They are usually all going to the fall section and get everything else that it's 40% off and that a lot of people are going to have in their homes. Candle stems, like these, I forgot what these are called, like the Oh, you know what they are. You can use the darker colors, the browns, and like for example, right here, this candle holder. It's not in the fall section, but it'll work. It'll work in your fall decor. And like these baskets here on my left side, like the wall art. All these things are things that you can look around and shop if you want to go to Hobby Lobby. And sometimes they come out a little cheaper because wall art, sometimes wall decor is usually 50% off. And that was new to me. That's one I never seen. These little baskets, they go for like $5-6. And like I was saying, wall art goes 50% off, so you're paying sometimes really, really affordable prices, and your home can look so much different from everyone else. There's also a vase, not a vase, but like a wicker, I'm always messing up. Wicker basket right here. This one here was one of my favorites. $14.99, but if it goes 50% off, it's $7.50, and you can make a beautiful arrangement without having to look like everyone else's home. So these are just examples that I'm giving you, things that I'm showing you the Hobby Lobby. This right here, everyone seems to be buying. I just wanted to see how heavy it was, and it was super, super heavy. But again, it's something that everyone else has been buying lately. So, just shop around your Hobby Lobby and take advantage of the sales when when other items are like 50% off. If you want your home to look different, like for example, this here is 66% off. There's so many things you can look in here. Like the cutting board, this thing right here, I don't know what it's called. It looks like a cutting board to me. This right here too, that I'm showing you, 66% off, and I show you, I think it comes out to like $20. These are things to me that will work for fall. And of course, I have to show you my little outfit. I don't know why. But I just wanted to share that, and hopefully this video it inspires you to go check out your Hobby Lobby and look at items that you can use, and especially if you're like me and you want your home to look somewhat different from everybody else, because let's face it, we love Hobby Lobby, and there's a lot of things from Hobby Lobby that we're gonna get that other people have, but we can change it up a bit, if that makes any sense. Hopefully this was helpful, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you do this already, but I just wanted to share.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah, there's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children baby. There's something that happens when something that happens when December ends, when December ends, yeah. Oh, it's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. It's Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Yeah. Merry Christmas, baby.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes. And I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
Hobby Lobby didn't have much for Christmas yet, so whatever I saw is what I recorded for you guys. I'm gonna give you a quick haul, and that should be it. I had some stuff, but I had to remind myself, like, girl, you don't need all that. Put it back. Put it back. I was on the lookout for these stamps here. Hold on, there's people looking at me kind of weird. I was on the lookout. Well, I completely forgot I wanted these here. And they were looking at me a little too funny. So I completely forgot that I wanted to be on the lookout for these. These are $1.99 with 40% off. I think they were $1.19 if I'm not mistaken. I got 3 because the garland that I bought from IKEA, I think I'm just gonna put one like on this side, one in the middle. If I need more, then I can just come back and get them. I got this ribbon for $1.49 because I just think I like the way it looks, like frayed, like, you know, this dress. And I feel like I can tie like this around like terracotta pots, my little olive tree planters, and like I have this lady head that holds flowers. I can put some around her neck. And guys, I found bunnies for $3, and I'm always thinking ahead. Like, if I can get something for a deal now, and I'm not trying to buy stuff when it's Easter. And I was watching, these are not the ones that she had were from like QVC or whatever that's called, a fancy name brand or something, but they're pretty similar. And so I got 2 of these for $3.40, 20 cents, I don't know. Look how cute they are. And I thought that I can use them for Easter and for spring and summer next year, God willing. These are from the spring collection. They are 66% off right now. So regularly they were $9.99. I feel like I can face them like this and do like a little bunny trail with like carrots and, you know, all that good stuff. Dry goods for next year, God willing, you know, because you just never know with this world. And I got sucked into some of these trends. Well, I only got one. I have not seen anybody haul these. I saw everybody hauling the big one and the like rounder, fatter one, not the long one. So I'm gonna show you a little clip here of the ones I'm talking about. So this one was $13.99, and I only got one. I had the other one too in my cart. I was like, no. So I just grabbed D1, 40% off. There was something else that I was gonna get, and I don't remember, and I left it behind. I was gonna get the like a gather sign, like gather around our table or something, but it was the only one left, and I'm not into those wording signs anymore, but I thought it would be cute to put it like on my centerpiece of my dining table, because it says something gather here around our table or something. I don't know, it had a little scratch, and I'm very iffy when it comes to stuff like that. It was only like $3, but I said if I really want it, if I need it after I do my table, I'll come back and get it. But I left that, and then I almost grabbed that gold turkey. I put it back too, because I feel like, let me start putting stuff out, and then if I need it, I'll come back and get it. I don't want to spend money and have a whole bunch of stuff. I need to stop doing that, and I'm trying really hard to work on that. And I keep forgetting that I like to put my squirrels, because they represent something, they mean something to me. After my son passed away, and I have a lot of squirrels, so I think I'm just gonna use that instead of buying new stuff. And then everybody talks about these being dupes to A-Floor. I don't know what the heck A-Floor is. I'm sorry, but I don't. But I like the color, because that's the color that I'm going for. And 2 stamps, look how full 2 stamps are. And so I was getting these $11.99, so they came out to like $7.20 or something like that. And for 2 stamps, look how full. Again, these are the colors that I'm going for, and I'm sure you've seen a lot of people hauling these already. And that's it. I had a lot of stuff, but I was like, no. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I really wanted to bring you Christmas, but my Hobby Lobby does not have much. I mean, a lot of the shelves are empty, and I'm pretty sure that that's what they're going to start working on. Right now, I'm going to go to Goodwill, and I'm going to see if I find a tablecloth that can work for fall and even Christmas maybe, but if not, it's okay. I just want it for now. So yeah, I might bring you a video when it comes to that too. I don't know, depends, because I really don't want to be there too long. I just want to go check what I want to check and be out. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to please help a girl out, subscribe to my channel, and share if you don't mind. But I'll see you guys very soon on my next one. Bye.